Squarespace for e-commerce website on Squarespace tutorial. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we build our online store on Squarespace. It's not that hard, so let's get started. Here we are on squarespace.com, the homepage. If you are new, you just simply need to click on get started. If you have an account, you can just simply log in. So let's click on get started and we'll come to our templates area where we can discover a lot of different templates. We can also build our own template, so we can create it from scratch. In this case, I'm going to choose the online store type and I'm going to find something which is suitable as for me. As you can see, they provide us the opportunity to use a lot of different templates. They have a lot of them, but in this case, let's try to use this one here. I'm going to click on preview, and as you can see, it's totally responsive as for different devices, and I think it's pretty cool that they provide us the opportunity to use already responsive websites. So let's click on start with this design, and I'm going to continue with Gmail. I already have an account. So in a few seconds we'll come to our managing page, but firstly, of course, we need to set the site title. Let it be like online store 1. Let's click on continue, next, and get started. And here we are on our managing page. As you can see in the left side, there is like menu with pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, asset, library, analytics, profile, settings, and help. From this page, we can easily manage every single stuff. But I'm going to show you how can we deal with commerce stuff first. So let's go to commerce. And they are already like try to help us. So to get started, tell us where you're selling today. We can choose the platforms, what types of content on products are you looking to sell, different types, digital downloads, memberships, collect donations, and so on. Like how many products do you plan to have, up to 10 to 25, and so on. And also we can set up our store with 4 steps from Squarespace: add products, add a way to get paid, choose a subscriptions plan, and go live. So here we are on our commerce folder where we can manage a lot of stuff. We can manage folders, orders if we'll have. We can also deal with our inventory with different products. As you can see, we can add a product by simply clicking right up here. We can choose the type: physical, digital, membership, like service, gift card, video on demand. If we'll use like physical element here, we'll have to add like product name, image, and also add some like price information, stock and unlimited stock, and so on. If we are going to use, for example, digital downloads, we'll have to add like a little bit more detail, some name, description, images, inventory, like a file, price, and on sale, and so on. So from this page here, we can easily add products and manage them. So we can change the price, so we can change the amount on stock, and so on. It's pretty easy. We can export all the data, we can import from the CSV or Etsy, Shopify, or Big Cartel. So there are a lot of options we can do. If you'll go back and go to customers, we can manage our customers information like subscribers, leads, customers, full-time customers, repeat customers, members, and donors. So from this page here, we can easily analyze all the data about our customers, and the discounts area where we can manage all the discounts. We can find the active ones, scheduled, inactive, and so on. So also there is like a way to monetize through membership. We can add products on Facebook and Instagram, use Google Shopping, and so on. And the next folder, which is really useful, is analytics, because here we can get overview about all the sales, like revenue, units sold, orders, and so on. Find information about our traffics, visits, bounce rate, unique visitors, and so on. And also like manage the traffic sources. For e-commerce, it's like sales by product, purchase funnel, and abandoned cart. So there are a lot of information you can find after launching your own online store. Also, to customize the wall design, we can simply go to design, go to site styles, and from this page we can change all the fonts. I'm going to click on switch, and we can switch between different packs to change all the fonts on our website. I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to click on save. It may take a little time, so I also like to change the color palette for the wall website. I'll do it right after the saves will change. So let's go back to site styles, go to colors, and I click on edit palette, and here I'm going to use, I think, something, maybe this one. Yeah, I'm going to click on save, and in a few seconds all the changes will be saved. So this is a way of how can we customize every single element. Like through this we can also manage animations, spacing, buttons, and image blocks here. So this is the way. And to edit the wall page, we can simply go to editor, click on edit page, and as you can see, now we are on our editor. We can add different elements like text, button, form, newsletter, shape, image, video, audio, coding, scrolling, and so on. So let's try to add maybe some image here. I'm going to add it right up here, and I also want to duplicate it to move it right up here. So let's try to find something we can place. Click on edit, add the image, browse from stocks, and I'm going to use this one here. And also I'm going to edit the image, going to add, and I'm going to add this one here. So these are the ways of how can we easily manage all this stuff. Just simply click on edit, and all the properties will appear. We can manage them from here. We can manage the text and so on. For example, we can easily replace the name. Let's be like Helperman Store, Helperman Store. Let be. Also, I'd like to make it italic, and I want to change the color to maybe black. Let it be like this. So all these steps are quite simple. We can also add different sections if we need: contact, about, people, products, services, portfolios, testimonials, and so on. Let's try to add maybe contact info, or maybe even about our people. Let it be like this. So I want to move it down and so on. So let's click on save, and all the changes were successfully saved. As you can see, now our website looks like this. If you'll try to discover their paid plans for the online store, they have like basic, advanced, two plans, $27 versus $49. Advanced has all the features from basic, but we can easily start it from 40 days trial, and after that you can easily decide is it necessary for you to buy the paid plan. I think the prices are not that high, so it's pretty cool, and the Squarespace is pretty useful. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.